Ever watched a video and thought, wait, why does that shadow look so weird? Or the lighting doesn't match the time of day? That's where video relighting steps in. It's like giving a video a new glow, changing how light interacts with scenes so everything feels natural, even if the original lighting was totally different. But here's the tricky part, doing this well while keeping the video smooth, realistic, and free of glitches. That's a huge challenge. Most tools out there, like IC-Light or Vid2Me, work great on synthetic videos. Think computer-generated scenes with perfect control. But real-world footage? That's a different story. Real videos have unpredictable motion, shifting light, and tiny details that synthetic ones just can't mimic. The result? Jittery, unnatural changes that ruin the illusion. But here's the breakthrough. Our new method crushes this problem. It's the first to shine equally bright on both synthetic and real-world videos. How? By nailing two key goals, sticking to what you ask for prompt adherence, and keeping the video smooth as a movie temporal consistency. It's like giving an algorithm a clear map and a compass, so it follows your instructions without getting lost in the chaos of real life. Let's break it down. The core innovation is a two-stage system. First, it calculates global illumination, the big picture lighting that defines the scene's mood. Then it zooms in on local details, textures, reflections, and shadows that make a video feel authentic. Think of it as a painter first laying down the background, then adding brushstrokes to bring the masterpiece to life. To make this work, the team developed a technique called decayed multi-axis denoising. Imagine a noisy signal, like static on a TV. This method gradually reduces that noise frame by frame, preserving fine details without blurring the action. It's the difference between a grainy, washed-out video and one that looks like it was shot with a high-end camera. Then comes the unique video tensor, UVT, a specialized data format that acts like a blueprint for the video. By compressing the footage into this tensor, the system can manipulate lighting and textures with precision. This isn't just about tweaking brightness. It's about redefining how light interacts with every surface, even in complex scenes with moving objects and dynamic backgrounds. The results? In tests using real-world datasets like Waymo and InteriorNet, plus synthetic environments like CARLA, our method outperformed existing tools. It handled everything from bustling city streets to virtual worlds with ease. But here's what really sets it apart. While other tools followed instructions, they often made videos feel stiff or fake. Our approach? It's like a magician's trick. The lighting changes, but nothing feels forced. The scene stays natural, the motion stays smooth, and the magic stays in the moment. Now, this isn't just about better videos. It's about unlocking new possibilities. Imagine filmmakers creating cinematic scenes without expensive lighting rigs, or robots, seeing the world more clearly in changing environments. But here's the catch. With great power comes great responsibility. Tools like this could also be misused for deepfakes or privacy breaches. That's why we're pushing for safeguards, limiting access to models, adding digital fingerprints to track edits, and working with platforms to spot misuse. At its heart, this work is about making tech that feels intuitive, not just smart. Whether you're a creator, a researcher, or just someone who loves videos, the future of relighting is about giving people more creative freedom without losing sight of the bigger picture. Because the best tech doesn't just solve problems, it empowers us to dream bigger. So, what's your vision for the future of video? Let us know in the comments, because the next big idea might just come from you.